In today's video, which is part 1 of my tropical boho home decor set series, I start with a circle frame Dollar Tree mirror, and I'm going to take it apart completely, leaving myself left with the cardboard for the back of the mirror and the mirror itself. For step 2, I am just going to fill in my gap between my cardboard and mirror with twine, and I'm going to wrap that around until my gap is completely filled in. For step 3, I'm going to take my 6 leaves and I'm going to cut the stems down to about 2 inches in length. Then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue those down around the perimeter of the back of my mirror. For step 4, I'm going to glue down a Dollar Tree coaster in the middle of my first mirror with hot glue and E6000 glue. For step 5, I just took a piece of twine and wrapped it around the perimeter of the mirrored coaster in the middle. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to watch out for part 2 of this series. This is going to be a 5-part series, so I hope you come back to join me.